Welcome to K-set series. This is question number 2, where the dipole moment of HCl they have given and they have asked the charges on H as well as Cl atom. This is from K-set 2014. So now we shall see how we can go about this question. Before that, if you want more such questions in topic wise as well as chapter wise sorted manner with solutions and hints, you can refer to these books: K-set in Chemical Sciences Inorganic Chemistry as well as K-set in Chemical Sciences Physical Chemistry. To book your orders, you can contact the given number via WhatsApp. Now coming back to the question, let's see how we can go about this question. So this is based on dipole moment. So the basic formula of dipole moment we are supposed to know. Dipole moment of any molecule mu, it can be given by Q into R. So in this case, HCl, it's only one covalent bond. So therefore dipole moment of bond or dipole moment of molecule both will be same. In other cases, this formula it applies to dipole moment of a bond. So mu is equal to Q into R. So now mu they have given, dipole moment they have given, and R that is also given to be 127.5 picometers. You are supposed to calculate Q. So of course, by just rearranging this, we get that Q is equal to mu by R. Now by substituting the values, mu dipole moment is given to be 3.697 into 10 raised to minus 30 coulomb meter, and the value of R it is 127.5 picometers. So this is in meters, this is in picometers. So it is essential to convert this picometers into meters. So pico it stands for 10 raised to minus 12. So therefore, by writing all other values as it is, so we get this expression 3.697 into 10 raised to minus 30 coulomb meter divided by 127.5 into 10 raised to minus 12 meters. Now, it is not necessary to go about the exact simplification. You need not use calculators. In K-set examinations, in offline mode, so far they have not provided calculators. So without calculator itself, it should be possible for us to manage this. So now how we can do that? So the simple way is that what we can do is we can just write this as this 3.697 into 10 raised to minus 30. I just keep it as it is. The other part I just simplify it as 1.275 into 10 raised to, so 10 raised to minus 12 it is here. So now since I have moved this decimal points towards left side, so this has to become now 10 raised to minus 10. So therefore it will be 10 raised to minus 10. Now the simplification it will be exactly very easy. So because this is 3.6 and this is 1.2. So the approximation it works, because if you look at the options, in all the options the digits that they have given, they are just same, 181, 181 everywhere. So therefore it is not necessary to go about the exact simplification. 3.697 divided by 1.275 it is not at all necessary. So roughly we can calculate. So if we go for rough calculation, so we can just see that this value it comes to be 3.6 divided by 1.2, it is 1.2 into 3. Therefore this value it is 3 into, so 10 power, if you look at 10 power, here it is 10 raised to minus 10, here it is minus 30. So this minus 10, if you take it above, it will become plus 10. So therefore it will be net 10 raised to minus 20. Fine. So now the value, of course this is exact value. If you go with exact calculation, 2.89 into 10 raised to minus 20 coulomb, but not necessary. You can just work it out to be 3 into 10 raised to minus 20. Now further, if you look at these units, you can find out that here meter and meter cancel. So this value whatever you are getting, of course it is charge on hydrogen atom or charge on chlorine atom, but it is in coulombs. But now carefully if you look at the options, this is the tricky part here. So they have not given the answers in coulombs unit, but they have given it in E. E it stands for charge on electron. So therefore now it is necessary to convert this value which is in coulombs into in terms of charge on electron. Charge on electron, 1 electron we know it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So now to convert this coulomb into charge on electron units, so what we can do is that Q that will be equal to this value 2.89 into 10 raised to minus 20 coulomb, and then further 1 electron, it is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb per electron. So that I have considered here. Now you can just consider coulomb, it will cancel out, and on simplification, you are supposed to get the value. So the exact value, if you work out again, 2.89 divided by 1.6, you will get 1.81, which is already given. Of course, in this step, it is not at all necessary. If you can just fix the 10 power, that is sufficient. But if you want to work out, you can do that. But again, rough approximation, it will work out. So in this case, it's 1.6 and it's 2.8, right? So if you consider this as 3 here at this point itself, we have gone for approximation. So if you just continue from here, so 3 divided by 1.6. So 3 divided by 1.6, it's closely 2. Or if it is 3 divided by 1.5, exactly it will be 2. So like if you consider this as 3 approximation, and when you divide by 1.6, what value you are supposed to get is somewhere around 2, right? So now into 10 raised to power, that is very important, you cannot miss that. 10 raised to minus 20, this is 10 raised to minus 19, so we are left with 10 raised to minus 1. That's how this is 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 charge on electron. So that's the exact value. So now if you further simplify, this will be nothing but 0.181 E, right? That's how 0.181 E, option C, that's the correct answer for this. So even if you numerically work out the things, if you go wrong in calculating the 10 powers, there are all chances that you may go wrong. And here one more chance, once you get this value 1.81 into 10 raised to minus 1, so by any chance, if you just neglect this part, 10 raised to minus 1 part, there are all chances that you may directly mark A as the answer. So in such scenario, even if you have come to the correct conclusion or correct answer, so if you mark A, whatever efforts you have done to come until here, that goes in vain. So therefore, you should be very, very careful with respect to 10 powers. So the correct answer for this will be option C. For more such videos, you can refer to the channel. So if you are liking this video, please give a like, and you can share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.